the erosion pattern.
Daddy, why don't you set on here?
Where you want me to set?
Yeah, right here.
So look at the erosion pattern that occurs because of the water and where my body is. It'll carve out an area. This is all flat just a minute ago. It'll be flat again. Now there's new erosion of the sand. You can see the water.
Why aren't you getting this on GoPro, on camera?
I'm just showing erosion patterns in sand. There's where my feet were now. It's all like eroded. Look at what I found.
Yeah, cool. Now throw it back in, please. I'm gonna get this one open. I know how to get them open.
Found another one.
Hey, Dad, go.
Here, you're gonna get these open.
I'll try.
The sea teeth.
Try to get these babies open.
Erode.
Guys, we're about to see what's in this little shell. Okay, Daddy, see those little things right there? Those are the teeth to keep it together.
Okay.
See right there? The teeth? I'm
I
giving you a
guess.
wave block.
Well, thank you, Oz.
Give me a wave block.
You got your own board for that.
Well, it still don't really block it, but like...
If you turn in a different direction, it will. Yeah, like that. And then dig it in the sand a little bit. Here, take your hand. Take your hand and scoop an area, Oz. Well, wait till the water's,
Here you
yeah.
go.
There you go. Oh, here, there we go. Oh.
It's not working.
Well, that's because you let it through. Here, now you do it. Put it up against my feet. Now it's gonna, like, help. Well, it's coming around it.
Come on, let's get in the water.
We are in the water.
Deeper. You gotta film us.
I'm gonna put away these shells. I'll be right back.
Daddy, I found some lots more.
Oh, wow.
We're gonna have to throw these ones out. They have mussels in them.
Okay.
We can use them for sandcastles. Come here.
I'm guessing it's working good. I'm just collecting shells. I wish it was warmer. The warm sand, it's not hot. Yeah?
Come on.
Want me to get on your boogie board? I am shell collecting right now. I'm shell collecting. Oh, are you okay? Oh, the big waves. And then they're little by the time they get here.
I went under the waves.
You did.
And I got right back.
I'm gonna put away the shells. I'll be right back. A water line. Yes.
What you doing?
I'm just digging.
What you digging for?
Because it's enjoyable, it's relaxing.
We'll make a waterfall. See, Daddy?
It turns to mush. It looks like cream of wheat cereal.
I just want to show.
So gloopy.
Meanie. Hey, Dad. Hey, Meanie. Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Oh, there's that airplane again.
Watch me do this, okay? Oh, now you made it heavy.
Well, put it out in the water, then it'll be light.
Stinks, are you peeing?
No, I'm not. You know, like, go smell the water.
Yes, he did. I watched it. I'll get you. No. Okay. It is fun. Hey. That's it.
All right, not above the chest. Get your brother with it.
Yeah, let's
It's like it's snow, except it's not cold. Oh, Oh, he's mad now.
Oh, yeah. Now we got another river. Okay.
Oh, he's in trouble.
I got him in trouble.
Oh, that's not good.
I just had to play dumb. Stop that, meanie.
You're meanie. You're meanie.
No, you're meanie.
You're meanie.
Yo, you're meanie.
You're calling Meanie, the actor. Oz, help me! Your sister's throwing sand at me. He don't care. He can't even hear. Oz, your sister's throwing sand at me too. Hey, she's throwing sand at me.